Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Alliance Investment Management. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Alliance Investment Management is a licensed online securities dealer that was founded in 1997 and is regulated by the Financial Services Commission of Jamaica. This brokerage is managed by a team of industry experts who offer professional, personalized brokerage services directly to their clients. Alliance Investment Management is primarily focused on stock trading, global investment planning, asset management, as well as online trading, and is a registered Cambio service provider. As a client, you can choose from two types of live trading accounts, and you will have access to a wide range of products, including personalized loans, investment accounts, money market instruments, corporate finance solutions, and much more. By joining Alliance Investment Management, you can entrust funds in government securities, bank guaranteed paper, and stocks listed on major global stock exchanges. You will also have access to bonds, mutual funds, equities, options, and global stocks listed on NASDAQ, the NYSE and AMEX. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Alliance Investment Management, you must first open an account with this broker. They offer margin trading on stocks. However, if you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Alliance Investment Management customer support team via email, telephonically, or you can visit their offices. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact their support team at any time. If you are a competitive trader, you can try this broker's Stock Wizard Challenge. Each person is given $25,000 in virtual funds to trade with at the start of the competition. Over the course of the month, each competitor's daily balance will reflect profit and loss from the previous day. At the end of the month, the person with the highest portfolio balance will be the first place winner of the top prize. An updated listing of the standings will be posted daily. The individual with the highest portfolio value at the end of the competition will receive an Alliance Investment Management limited online trading account valued at $1,000. The individuals with the second, third, and fourth highest portfolio values will both receive an online trading account valued at $500. Alliance Investment Management provides a minimalistic website with a simplistic design. You can find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. The homepage highlights the key products and services offered with direct links to each page. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you must first open an account with this broker. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, and terms and conditions. We always recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you decide to join any broker. This broker does not currently support any mainstream trading platforms. However, you can trade on the professional-grade proprietary software provided. Their client portal will give you direct access to your daily account balance, account holdings, and account history, so there's no need to download any third-party platforms. There are two types of accounts that you can open with Alliance Investment Management, and your account can be used for self-directed trading, managed portfolio trading, and investing. The Alliance Strategic Growth Account is a long-term tax-free investment account with competitive interest rates, and a minimum of $100,000 is required to open this account. Up to $20,000 can be added every month, and all funds are safely invested in Government of Jamaica securities. Currently, there are two types of online trading accounts that you can open with this broker. The Easy Trade account requires a minimum deposit of $1,000, and you will get access to all the basic account features offered, as well as detailed monthly brokerage statements. An annual fee of $50 is charged for account management services once this account is opened. If you open a Pro Cash account, $200 will be charged annually for account management, but you will have direct access to international bill payment services, unlimited check writing, monthly consolidated statements including details of investments, portfolio holdings, and cleared checks, as well as personalized brokerage services. The Pro Cash account does, however, require a deposit of at least $10,000 to be activated. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on their free Trader Pro simulator until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Alliance Investment Management offers, click on the Trading tab. Creating an account with Alliance Investment Management may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is free, and you can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Alliance Investment Management homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete and submit the online application forms. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address, and then you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. A minimum deposit of at least $1,000 is required to open an account with Alliance Investment Management, depending on the account you choose, and your account can be funded using US dollars or Jamaican dollars. You can make a secure deposit using bank wire transfer, and Pro Cash account users can use debit MasterCards. No deposit fees are charged when adding funds to your account. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Alliance Investment Management provides research material on stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace, while you practice using your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Alliance Investment Management has been around for many years and is a trusted online broker in Jamaica that is regulated, licensed, and audited. This broker provides a full suite of investment and brokerage services, and if you open an account, it can be used for stock trading, retirement savings, and much more. This broker offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Alliance Investment Management. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.